It's going to be all about basketball today and chores.
Garrett's Weeblos Den is heading on a hike today.
Hello, people!
Here we go, round 2. This is Spencer's Bantam tournament game. What are we doing this morning?
We have a tournament game for City League basketball.
Yeah, today's kind of like March Madness, but in February, because Spencer has 2 tournament games today, one for his City League, and then later today he's got a tournament game for his Bantam League. So it's going to be all about basketball today and chores. I think that's going to be it. So it's early today too, so are you awake yet or half? I can't tell if this is your I'm just waking up face or your Michael Phelps game face. What we got going on here?
Probably just my waking up face.
Just your waking up face.
Yeah.
But it's go time. He's here at the gym. We're going to get him warmed up and ready to go.
Control. Go. Go.
Oh. So Garrett's Weeblos Den is heading on a hike today. I think we're trying to go 3 miles and they needed someone to come with them. I volunteered as an additional leader and here I am at the back of the pack. I'll hold up the end to make sure we all make it home.
Where are we hiking up to?
Just up to the Bonneville Shoreline Trail. It's actually really nice weather for a hike, isn't it, bud?
No.
No, it's not. What's wrong about it? Too cold?
What do you think?
Oh yeah, whoa, watch your step.
There's more hikers! Right? I mean, hello, people! They're friends! Hello! We're up here! I just built the most ultimate. Oh yeah! Okay, fire it either down there, or which one should you do? Destroy that deer! Yeah!
I was hoping we would see some deer on this hike, but I don't think they're going to be anywhere near here with all of that screaming and hooting and hollering.
Where is it? Where is it?
Right up by where we were.
Oh, yeah, there he is!
They're coming down the trail. That's where we were earlier.
There's another one! Oh, look, they're going all the way up the side of the mountain. I told you! There's 3! No.
Well, there's like 5 or 6 up there.
You can see all of them just leaving.
How was that? That was a pretty fun little hike, wasn't it? In all about 3.5 miles by the time we get done. Here we go, round 2. This is Spencer's Bantam tournament game, the first one. They won their first game this morning. It was a little rough to watch because it got a little out of hand with fouls and things that weren't getting called, but they pulled it off.
Better refs.
Refing will be better.
Yeah, hopefully. It's an accelerated league, so it'll be much faster paced and
A little bit more under control.
A little bit more under control, and it should be fun. We'll see. We've been home from Spencer's game for a little while. It was kind of the tale of two games today. In his first game, he played almost the entire time. And then in the second game, he only played 6 minutes of the entire game. But even though he only played 6 minutes, he was able to score 2 baskets, both of which I did not manage to capture on video. So that's why you'll notice we had a lot more footage from the first game than the second game. And in the second game, his team just barely lost, and so they were eliminated from the tournament. However, that same team is pretty much staying together and going to be all signed up for a March league. So he'll be playing some more basketball all through March, 6 games I think it is, and it's just for the month of March. Now that we're home, we've been doing laundry. Brevin has been off with Sherry. They're at the Leroy's tonight. I'm not sure if they're playing games or just hanging out, whatever it is, but he's with the Frankies and the Leroy's. We're just gonna get kids to bed here pretty soon. I found some clothes as I was doing laundry that had some minor repairs that I need to do, so I'm gonna finish up the evening with some sewing and finish putting bedding back on the beds because we washed all that today too. So it was a great day, an exciting day. We had a lot of fun, and we're looking forward to a wonderful day of rest tomorrow. See you later.